welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, April 4th to Saturday, April 10th, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So before we start, make sure you send to all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at my first deal. So my first deal, it's Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 3 Colgate toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. You can buy 3 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $13.17. It's $4.39 each in my store. Use one $3 off $12 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $4 off 2 Colgate Instant Coupon on Coupon Center printed on March 28. Also, we have two $1 off Colgate printable coupon on coupon.com. They have limit 4 per coupon. Also, we have one $1 off Colgate digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $3.17 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.83 money maker. The next deal is if you have this $5 off $25 Colgate CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. Buy 3 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste and get back $5 ECB and spend $10 on select total Colgate mouthwash, toothbrush and toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. Both are has a limit 2 per household. Buy 3 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ, it's $13.17. It's $4.39 each in my store. Also, you can buy 4 Colgate manual toothbrush 1 city, it's $20.76. It's $5.19 each. The totals come out $33.93. But make sure check this Colgate toothpaste is included or not because they say select. Use one $5 off $25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, we have one $4 off 2 Colgate Instant Coupon on Coupon Center printed on March 28. Also, you can use two $1 off Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, you can use 3 $1 off Colgate toothbrush printable coupon on coupon.com. Use one $1 off Colgate toothpaste digital coupon and use one $1 off Colgate toothbrush digital coupon. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $17.93 and get back $5 ECB for the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste and get back $10 ECB for the Colgate toothbrush. The final cost is only just $2.93 or 41 cents each. The next deal is if you have this 4 of $25 any oral care CVS CRT, you can do this deal like that. Buy 2 Crease 3D White toothpaste 2 pack or Oral-B battery toothbrush and get back $4 ECB. But it's on sale $6.99 each. Or you can buy 3 Crease Complete Pro Health or select Oral-B toothbrush and get back $5 ECB. It's on sale $3.99 each. Buy 1 Crease 3D White toothpaste 2 pack, it's $6.99. Also, you can buy 1 Oral-B adult battery toothbrush, it's $6.99. Also, you can buy 3 Oral-B toothbrush 1 city, it's $11.97. But in whole this transaction, you can buy at least one toothpaste, so you can have the $3 off 2 possibly glitch. Altogether, the totals come out $25.95. Use one $4 off $25 any oral care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $6 off 4 Crease toothpaste, toothbrush or mouthwash digital coupon. Use one $3 off 2 Crease toothpaste, toothbrush or mouthwash digital coupon. This coupon is possibly glitch. Also, we have one $1 off Crease toothpaste digital coupon. This coupon also possibly glitch if you buy one toothpaste in this transaction. Also, you can use one $2 off adult battery toothbrush digital coupon. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $9.95 and get back $5 ECB for the Oral-B toothbrush and get back $4 ECB for the Crease toothpaste. The final cost is both toothpaste is only just 95 cents or 19 cents each. The next deal is Crease toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Crease toothpaste and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $6.99 each. Buy 1 Crease gum detoxify toothpaste, it's $6.99. Also, you can buy 1 Crease 3D whitening charcoal toothpaste, it's $6.99. The totals come out $13.98. Use one $4 of $14 Crease toothpaste toothbrush CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of Crease gum detoxify toothpaste digital coupon. Also, you can use one $3 of Crease 3D whitening therapy charcoal toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Spend $25 on Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Neutrogena eyeliner, it's $10.49. Also, you can buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover facial cleansing towel wipe 21 CT, it's $14.58. It's $7.29 each. Altogether, the totals come out $25.07. But make sure you can buy this facial wipe on the cosmetic section. Use one $3 off Neutrogena face cosmetic digital coupon. Use one $3 off Neutrogena cosmetic digital coupon. Also, we have one $3 off Neutrogena face cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. Also, if you have one $5 off 2 Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT, the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $11.07 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.07 or 35 cents each. The next deal is Neutrogena Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. Spend $25 on Neutrogena Cosmetic and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick. It's $35.98. It's $17.99 each. Also, you can use 2 buy 1 get 1 free Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation Stick CVS CRT. Pay or roll nothing out of pocket and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $10 money maker. The next deal is Paparazzi Nail Deal. It's exclude the kids. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Paparazzi nail, it's 2 for $5, it's $5. Use one $1 of $5 Paparazzi nail care CVS CRT. Also, if you have one $1 of Paparazzi facial wipe and mask CVS CRT, this is possibly glitch. Pay or roll $3 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. My next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetic Deal. Spend $12 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Paris True Match Foundation, it's $11.99. Use one $3 of L'Oreal Facial Care and Cosmetic Instant Coupon printed on March 28. Also, we have one $3 of L'Oreal Cosmetic Mystery Coupon. It's available on April 4th. Also, you can use one $2 of L'Oreal Paris digital coupon. It's available on April 4th. At least $2, yeah, $3. Let's see on the Sunday. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $3.99 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Revlon Cosmetic Deal. Buy 2 Revlon Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 6 per household. Buy 4 Revlon Kiss Balm, it's $23.16. It's $5.79 each. Use one $5 of $20 Revlon Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $2 of Revlon Cosmetic digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $16.16 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $6.16 or $1.54 each. The next deal is select Aveeno skincare deal. Spend $30 on Aveeno and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Aveeno Ultra Calming Daily Facial Moisturizer 2.3 OZ. It's $21.49. Also, you can buy one Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser 6 OZ. It's $9.29. The totals come out $30.78. But make sure check this one it's included or not because this says select Aveeno skincare. Use one $5 off $30 any facial care CVS CRT. Use one $3.50 off Aveeno facial moisturizer cream or serum digital coupon. Use one $4 off Aveeno Ultra Calming CVS CRT. Use one $2 off Aveeno facial cleanser or face mask digital coupon. The total coupon is $14.50. Pay or roll $16.28 and get back $10 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is only just $3.28 or $1.64 each. The next deal is Garnier facial care deal. It's exclude tissue mask. Buy two Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two Garnier Skin Active Makeup Remover Wipe. It's $14.58. It's $7.29 each. Also, you can use one buy one get one free Garnier facial care CVS CRT. The total coupon is $7.29. Pay or roll $7.29 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $2.29 or $1.14 each. The next deal is L'Oreal facial care deal. Spend $30 on L'Oreal facial care and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer, it's $19.99. Also, you can buy two L'Oreal Face Cleanser Gel, it's $10.38. The totals come out $30.37. Use one $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Use two $6 off L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Moisturizer CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 off L'Oreal Instant Coupon on Coupon Center printed on March 28. The total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $10.37 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just 37 cents or 12 cents each. The next deal is Nivea lotion deal. Buy two Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Nivea breathable body lotion 13.5 OZ, it's $8.79. Also, you can buy one Nivea body lotion 8.4 OZ, it's $6.29. Altogether, the totals come out $15.08. Use one $3.50 off $15 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, you can use two $1 off Nivea breathable lotion app only coupon. The total coupon is $5.50. Pay or roll $9.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $4.58 or $2.29 each. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. The next deal is Claroil Hair Care deal. Buy two Claroil Hair Care and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two Claroil Nice and Easy Permanent Hair Color. It's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Also, you can use one buy one get one free Claroil Hair Color digital coupon. It's took $7.99. Also, we have one $5 off two Claroil Hair Color digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $12.99. Pay or roll $3.99 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor or Refill deal. Buy two Gillette or Venus Razor and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy two Venus Woman Razor. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $5 off $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Use one $5 off 2 Gillette or Venus razor CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $9.99 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free. We have right now $3 off Venus razor coupon on coupon.com, but when I print this coupon, its expiration date is next day. So if you are print this coupon, check on your expiration date if it's same thing. We have in YouTube so many notification of this coupon, so let's see if we get better expiration date on Sunday. So make sure check on the coupon.com for this coupon. My next deal is household deal. Spend $40 on household item and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one tile liquid 92 OZ, it's $11.94. Also you can buy one Tide board 21 to 35 CT, it's $11.94. Also you can add this deal Tide board 12 to 16 CT, it's $4.94. Buy two head and shoulder 10.6 to 13.5 OZ, it's $12. It's 2 for $12. The totals come out $40.82. Use one $4 of $20 any Tide or Tide board CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon, it's available on April 4th. Use one $3 of Tide board digital coupon, it's available on April 4th. Use one $2 of Tide board digital coupon, it's available on April 4th. Use one $3 of 2 head and shoulder digital coupon, it's also available on April 4th. Use one $2 of Pantene head and shoulder CVS CRT. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $23.82 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost all product is $13.82 or $2.76 each. The next deal is Bebo bathroom tissue paper deal. Buy two tissue paper and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one free. Buy two Bebo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll, it's $21.98. It's $10.99 each. Also in promotion, buy one get one free. Use one buy two get one free or buy one get one free 8 count toilet paper CVS CRT, it's took $10.99. Pay or roll nothing out of pocket and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is all detergent or snuggle deal. Buy two all or snuggle and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one free. Buy two snuggle liquid fabric softener 32 OZ, it's $5.79 because it's buy one get one free. Pay or roll $5.79 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.79 or $1.89 each. The last and final deal is select Trident or Dentite gum deal. Spend $6 and get back $3 ECB back. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 4 Trident gum 14 CT, it's $5.96. It's $1.49 each. Pay or roll $5.96 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 74 cents each. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.